Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today we are going to talk about dual app setting in Vivo phone. In this video guys, I will show you how can you on dual Instagram in Vivo phone. As you can see in my icons, all icon guys, I have only one Instagram. Guys, you can see guys, there is no any another Instagram app. So guys, in this video guys, I will show you how can you on dual Instagram setting in Vivo phone. So guys, let's see how to on it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting, then guys click on app and notifications. Guys click on app clone, then guys you can see Instagram. So wait on it. So guys, dual Instagram will on in your Vivo phone. And guys, now let's see. So you can see two Instagram in my phone. So I think friends, we have understood how to on dual Instagram in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet in next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.